Baby shark doo-doo-doo wade, splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle waggle tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar! Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny Dino sneezes, splash! He falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, no.
Dino says, oops, I'm just trying to play. Hey! Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes whack. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day, no two. They both laugh, hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! Woo! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck, oh not planned. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings help. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. Pop, 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 balloon so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play cow. Counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it bursts, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's all play. Two balloons, count with me. Three green balloons start to dance. They say, give us one more chance. Baby laugh, shark look shocked. These balloons are talking a lot. Oh wow, wow, what is this? Baby runs, shark swims fast, trying to pop them at last. Pop one hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic, wide awake. Baby claps, shark says, wow! This is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere. Pop, pop, balloons, count and play. Baby and shark's birthday day. Laugh and sing, come join the fun. Happy birthday, everyone. Wow! Roar, roar, it's party time. Dino sings a happy rhyme. Birthday cake is big and bright. Well, let's have fun all day and night. 5 little dinos at the party are clapping hands and feeling hearty. One big dino took a bite. Oops, the cake cake went flying right. Oh no! Cake disaster! Fix it quick, go faster, faster! Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play. We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left. Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Now this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright. One little dino proud and glad. Birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around. Hiding was fun, ha 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 ha. Five baby sharks hiding one day. Do do do, do do do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do 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 do. Five baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid behind the big red coral. Mommy shark looked. Oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile. Oh no! Four baby sharks hiding one day. Four baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, "Call, come out and play." Out swam the second baby shark, wiggling away. Three baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid inside the old shipwreck. Mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark. Surprise attack. Two baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick tock, tick tock. Out came the fourth baby shark, laughing non-stop. One baby shark hiding one day. Do 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 do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end, all five baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast, they swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! Five baby sharks, hiding was fun.